ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Meghalaya Speed Skating Association haka khandrutrik uno pra arja arpulai kelapin kutno ek second Meghalaya Open Speed Skating Championship daka jingetroi lang bag St Anthony's Higher Secondary School lat umpra Shillong bag Meghalaya Rollerball Association. Haga ni jingkop nya skate kablalong Hamadan jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School kidan haru san pongot tam kinongi shimbenta melapia akirta baper bat kumjuru ni school jigi district baper hapo kani ke jilla. Kini ke jing le kai glapin pauru ye kisap ki phong jong kinong shimbenta ha ka be day ba ke jingstat banya skate ba kini ke limpung ile kai kala yarap shika dei e banwanra e ka minse mile kai ha pedeng kinong shimbenta bat kumjuru pan kintiu ya kini ke jing le kai khamtam e ha kini ke jilla Meghalaya. Hagani ke sengi lasa kilang du President jong Meghalaya Speed Skating Association uba suk lang dakhar baki nongelam jong Meghalaya Rollerball Association u Principal jong St Anthony's Higher Secondary School u Father Anthony Kharkongor bat eki kimik pa jong Khynnah School. Hadir melakut ke jingalang lasamru yaki khusnam jiki nong job hagi kerdan bapher daki medal baki certificate.
Place Adriel Shangoy. First place. Second place Theophilus Gatpo. And third place Kemelang Basayamon. These are under 14 boys squads. First place Adriel Shangoy. Second place Theophilus Gatpo. And third place Kemelang Basayamon.